Hey guys, and welcome back. Wait, hold up. No, never mind. Hey guys, welcome. This is a different video. Yes, that intro was on purpose. This video, I'm going to be showing you how I get characters like this. Let's go to Gogeta, spawn him in, and out. Gogeta, come on, man. You know what? I'm going to have to go to game mode 1 for this. How I get characters like Gogeta and get them to, let's just quickly edit him for a second. Give his stats, make it so he's only got 1000 health, and how I get characters like Gogeta, when I kill him, power up and go Super Saiyan. This is how I do it. And if I do KO this one as well, I'll just quickly edit to make it much quicker for me. But let's just give him 2000 health. There we go. And how when I kill this guy, he goes Super Saiyan Blue. This is the video I'm going to be showing you guys how to do that, and also how to make it so they can shoot key attacks, teleport, and everything like that. Now, before this video gets started, I will say that all the script and code that I use in this video, I did not create. I changed it a little bit to make it work for what I'm after, and I'll show you guys how to do that as well. But everything that is code-wise is going to be linked to the channel creator of it. I'm going to be linking his video, and you can go to his description and get everything there. This is Heroes and Fools Zenshi. I think that's how you say his name. He created all this code and did an amazing how to script NPCs tutorial. But this is basically just going to be a quick one of how to get the cool things of transformation, key blasts, and if you want it, teleportation. I'm going to be doing the transformation first. Key blast is very easy and very quick, so I'm going to be showing you how to do that. But I notice a lot of people don't actually know what mods I use. So I use Custom NPCs and Dragon Block, and I also use DBA skins. DBA skins was literally a thing made it. So I could do this, go to edit, and then I could pick characters. But as you can see here, a lot of them, they have like cool models, as you can see, but they're missing their textures. That's because the models actually don't really work, because when I click out of it, it changes back to default Steve. They don't actually really work. He's working on a fix for that, but all the skins I do use. You can obviously get your own skins and everything like that. So if you know how to do that, awesome. But this is going to be a bit of a complicated video and a bit of a different one. So if you're looking to just pay attention and learn how to do this, then stay tuned. But if you're looking for the next part of the series, then don't worry, that is soon to come. I wanted to post this. This actually might be going up after the next part. For me, I'm going to be recording the next part after this. But for now, let's actually just quickly set time. For now, this is just going to be a video of me showing you how to actually do this with any character you want. So yeah, let's jump into this. Alright, so a few things you do need is, first, you do need custom NPCs, the actual Dragon Block mod, and this is the thing a lot of people don't know you need when you're actually custom scripting in like the actual Minecraft thing, is, I'll show you quickly, actually, I'll open up this, because if you can see here with this little window, let's actually, bad button, let's just open it quickly. When you go to the scripter and you go to click it, a lot of people don't have this ECMA script. In order to get that, you need to first go to your actual C drive. You also then need to go to where your Java is located. So mine's in program files, then Java, then you need to go to the one version you have installed. For me, it is actually this version up here. I do have for some reason, another version which is newer, but I do use this one. Once you go into this folder, you then need to go into your JRE folder, your lib, and then you need to go into your ext. In here, you then need to copy this, your nashorn.jar, copy it, and then you need to go to your mods folder, which is in your .minecraft. If you don't know how to get here, then come on, man. Like, this is how you install basically all mods, and you need to right click and paste it here. As you can see, I already have mine, but once you've done that, you should then have your ECMA script, and that is what you need. You need to have that. You also need to make sure you tick enabled and have console set to all. Okay, so once you have that, let's say you start at the very beginning. You're going to spawn in and you're going to want to grab yourself some items. So first you want to go to the custom NPCs and grab the things you need. You need a scripter, NPC wand, and mob cloner. Once you have these are all the things that are very important and very much needed. So first things first, you're going to want to get your NPC wand, and you're going to want to get a character. So let's say this character, let's try and make Vegito. Let's actually do a transformation Vegito in this video. This video might go a bit long. I'm just going to state that now because it is me showing you guys how to do this. So you want to call the character Vegito. If you're doing transformations from SSJ1 to, say, blue, what I like is, let's say you're doing base, SSJ, God, blue. Let's say that. Actually remove God. Let's just go SSJ, then blue. let's say you do this, you want to make sure the base one is called that, and then say when you spawn the next guy, you want to make sure it's SSJ, and then after that you want to go blue. So like all the names are going to be different. So for now, we're going to stick with Vegito. Then we're going to go to the model, and we're going to edit our model here. Now, as you can see, it's just currently standard Steve. For me, it could be a very different layout for tons of different people, but for me, I like scrolling all the way down, and in order to get the right hair for it, I always pick Master Vegeta. Once I pick Master Vegeta, I then go back, and I go to the texture, click select, and for me, I put my skins in the Minecraft, and they're all in here of all just different skins. This is where I put mine, so if you guys want to be able to do this yourself, make sure you put any skins in, like, say, if you put the skins in Custom NPCs, these are all the jar files inside your mods folder. So just open that and put the skins in there. Pretty easy to do. So let's just go into Minecraft, and we're going to find Vegito. So let's just scroll all the way down. Some of these skins don't actually fully work. As you can see, it's a little bit buggy. A little bit, but we have then this Vegito. So let's just stick with, let's say, yeah, let's go this one. Let's go Vegito Super. So he's going to have the armor on for some reason, but let's just say that. And we can edit all his stats later, but for now, that's what he's going to be. So we're just going to have Vegito, and we're going to also hide his username. But there he is. That's Vegito. And now we want to go to the NPC scripter, and we want to make sure it's enabled, it's set to all, and that's all there. Now for this is actually a little bit of a confusing part. So I'll try and go over this as easy as I can in order for this to properly work. Now, in order for this to properly work, you do need to go to the guy's video that I stated, and in his description, he has a Google Doc, which is basically all the code he has used. This is huge shout out to him, but this is everything here of what you need. I'm going to put it off to the side for myself currently, but what you will need from this is there will be parts that say int, which as you can see here is right there. It's the int bit at the very top. There's also going to be ones like update, damaged, killed, attack, so on and so forth. So you just want to literally copy it. So let's say I'm over on the document now. I'm going to copy all of the int. Click Control C. Now make sure you do not Control V it over here. Make sure you click the paste button, and there it is. That is all the code from the first one spawned in. Now you just want to get all this code added. So we then got the next one, which is damaged. So we're going to copy that, and then we're going to go to damaged, paste it. Then after that, we're going to go to killed, copy that. There we go. Go to killed, paste it. And that is that. That is all the code needed for this. So once we have all this code put in, we go back to it, and as you can see, the thunder strike appears, and that's all the stuff we want. Large explosion, that is everything we actually want. But a few people will be like, okay, so this is clearly the transformation stat. How do I make it so this guy transforms into the guy I want? That's pretty easy. All you have to do is go to, so say damaged. This is how much damage he takes before he can have a chance of transforming. This one is if you kill him, he will transform. So say if we do 2,000 damage to him, he'll transform. This one is if he dies, he will still transform. Now, the part that is very important here is see where it says Tran 2, that is going to be the name of the next transformation. So this is the part that is very, 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 very important. Because we're doing Vegito Blue, next we're going to go Vegito Blue. It needs to be the exact same text of what it is. It needs to be the exact same or it will not work. So let's just say Vegito Blue, cool. And then this is the text of what he says when he transforms. So let's just say, let's just have him say, all right, and scream it in caps. So let's go, all right. There we go. And then when he's killed, it will be the same thing. So let's just go get his text. There we go. And go, all right. Now, this part can be done differently. So if it is to basically save the problem of it, you can have this code be different. So say you can have it, if you kill him, he'll go to a different form, but if you do too much damage to him, he'll go to a separate form. So that's kind of like one thing you can do. But for now, we're just going to have it stick to the same form, which I find it much easier to do. So let's go Vegito Blue. And there we go. That is everything like that. That is all we need to do. His thing has been called the same stuff. Or we're going to go back then and go escape. Now, what you want to do is you want to go to the mob cloner, right click him, click this, make sure it's server side, and click save. Now we will quickly now make a new guy, and this guy is going to be Vegito Blue, the exact same spelling and everything. We're then going to do the models and all that stuff. So we're going to scroll back down, pick Vegeta, because Vegeta does have some of the best hair for most of these characters with transformations. So he's going to go there, still got the name, going to click the texture. Then after this, we're just going to go, where is he? Blue Vegito, there he is. And that is it. Make sure his name is hidden. And what we are going to do now is we're going to right click him, server side, make sure his name is Vegito Blue, because this is the thing that the actual code reacts to. We save it, and now we can delete. Yep. And now when we kill this guy, so let's quickly go here and make it so he's actually part of a faction, so we'll make him aggressive and he attacks hostiles. And there's that. And now when we kill him, he transforms into Vegito Blue. And as you can see down the bottom left, he says, all right, now there is this still because there is a few things I haven't actually done. So let's just quickly show you guys how to fix that in case that is happening, because that's just an easy fix with the actual NPC mod. So let's go here, make sure we have Vegito, spawn it. Now to do this, we want to edit. We want to go to his AI, and we want to make sure his respawn is off. So now, when we kill him, oh yeah, I didn't save him as with the... Because if you can't attack him, that's because he doesn't have an actual faction on. Even if he's neutral, you can still attack him. So let's just go bang. And there we go. He transforms into Vegito Blue. And yeah, that's basically it. That is how you do transformations. If you want to make him transform, say, another time, so say this is Super Saiyan, just literally make sure you do the same scripting part all in here, but then make it so the Super Saiyan part is Vegeta. So I'll try and show you with Gogeta quickly. So let's just quickly spawn Gogeta. Then we're going to spawn Gogeta Super Saiyan, and then we're going to spawn Gogeta Blue, so you guys can see everything that I did. We're going to go to this guy, and all these stats are all custom and everything, but if we go to descriptor and go to scripts, as you can see, if I go to damaged, he goes Gogeta SSJ, and then if he's killed, Gogeta SSJ, but he says different things for if he's killed. Now we go to the Super Saiyan, so say that he's just transformed into this guy. I've given this guy some code, so now he goes Gogeta Blue and says, alright, I'm getting fired up, and then if he's killed, he says, prepare to witness yourself, Gogeta Blue, transforms to Gogeta Blue. Now because this is the final transformation, this guy literally does not have any transformation stat. This is the teleportation thing, which I'll get to in just a second, but he does not have a transformation stat at all. So that's it. That is literally how you get a character to transform. I know this is already about 15 minutes in, so I mean, it was kind of difficult just to get to that point, but you can watch over this multiple times if you do not quite understand. Hopefully I explained it pretty well for you guys, because that is the 100% the easiest way that I found to make transformation work. Again, huge shout out to the guy that helped me get that to work. It is incredible, and it's just awesome being able to do that. So what we're going to do now is show you guys how to actually get key blasts in the game. So to get key blasts, you want to first say, let's say Gogeta Blue, we want him to be able to shoot key blasts at us. In order to do that, you just go to the NPC wand, pick him, and let's say we want his ranged options. Now, this is everything you've got to edit. In here, you can edit the accuracy, the firing rate, aim while shooting, everything like that. We're just going to leave it on default, and then we're going to give it the actual key blast sound effect, which is that one. That's it. Now, a lot of people don't quite know how to make it actually fire now. You want to edit the type so you can do everything. I like to make it 2D. I'd say it doesn't have gravity. It explodes, yes. I want it to be a large explosion. The effect is going to be none because I don't like it when they have effects. I like to give it big smoke. There we go. And also glows. There we go. Now, to make it so it's something that fires, it needs to be something that he can throw. I'm pretty sure it actually needs to be an object that is throwable in the game. So an egg, a snowball, a fire charge, something like that. So in order to get this to work, let's just grab a fire charge. And we can literally just grab 64. Sure, why not? It doesn't matter. We can even give him one if we want. Go to his inventory and then put these fire charges in the actual slot. I don't think... Oh, wait, it actually might be able to be anything. So if we want, we could put something else in there. But for now, we're just going to stick with fire charges. I gave Gogeta the snowballs because I think that worked really well. But for example, say maybe if you're doing Broly or something, say you could give him maybe a slime ball, and that actually might work. So let's just see if that actually does work, because I did not know if that did work. So let's just quickly give it a test. So I'll grab some slime, and we'll go to his inventory, and we're going to give him slime. There we go. So now he should be, if we also edit, make sure his faction is on aggressive, and he does attack hostile mobs. Let us quickly hop back down into Game Mode 0, and he should, as you can see there, fire key blasts at us, and we can still dodge them. Easy as that. And they do explode when they hit the ground. Even when we're up in the sky, as long... yo, he still fires at us. And they can hit us as easy as that. So that is how you do it. Then imagine you add the transformation onto it. And that is literally everything. Now, if I go back into game mode 1 quickly, I'll show you. You can actually edit so all different stuff can happen. So you can make it so when he's firing, we go to his AI. Where is it? So his walking style, it's not where we want range. So use range attack always. That is basically so if you don't want him to melee. I like to have it on the move, and then the minimum range is, let's say, 5. So now, when I go back into game mode 1, or game mode standard, he'll come at me with, whoop, I think I'm... So he's currently only firing at me if I'm more than 5 blocks away, but I think 5 blocks is actually a bit too close because the explosion radius might be a bit insane. So let's quickly edit this one more time. Minimum range, let's make it 10. So 10 blocks away. So that's 10 blocks, and we're going to hop back into game mode 0. So now over here, his aggro range is 25 blocks. He's going to fire at me, as you can see there. But if I get close to him, so let's let him fire one more time. There we go. But now if I get close, bro. There we go. He is now attacking me with melee. Now if I get too far away, he's still going to run after me, but he's going to fire Ki Blast instead. That is how you get that to work, and that is Ki Blast. That is how simple it literally is. Now, in order to get teleportation to work, again, teleportation was a little bit buggy for me, but it's the same thing as you go to this guy's text that he has made, because he has done quite a bit with this stuff, but you go up and there should be teleportation. Teleportation right here. There's random map and everything. I don't know how to exactly adjust this, but all we have to do is we're going to copy the... Oh, I didn't even notice. So there's int. Going to go here. Going to go back to the game, and we're going to make sure we give Vegito this script. So int, paste, and I'm just going to quickly go back. And I'll put this over here so it doesn't become annoying for you guys. Then we're going to go to update and copy that. Then go update and then paste and then target, copy, and then go to target and then go paste. And that is it. Now, once we go back, if I go to game 0. Oh, I forgot. Okay. Well, basically, if you do that, he has the chance of teleporting every now and then. That's kind of how that one works. I know that wasn't really a good demonstration, but that is how that one works, and that is basically it. That is transformation, Ki Blast, everything like that. And there is a way to make him fly as well, but it is a little bit buggy and doesn't quite work. So I just recommend honestly doing that, because if you give him Ki Blast and you go up into the sky, then that is probably the best way of them taking you down. I'm sorry this video has gone for such a long time, but I hope I helped you guys, and hopefully you guys can make some pretty cool, epic fights in the future in your own games. But for now, I hope you do enjoy my series, and I'm sure I'm probably going to discover a few more methods and a few more things I can actually do to make these fights even cooler for you guys. But anyway, guys, that's probably where I'm going to leave it. I hope you did enjoy this video. My name is Troy, and I'll see you in the next video. See you guys.